Welcome to the next section of this Microsoft 101 course. Now, before we jump in and start to talk about templates, I want to do a really quick preview on what the idea is, what the concept is of an Excel template. Now, I'm going to use our monthly budget as the example. I had to do this monthly. Maybe this is going to turn into a quarterly report, 3 months every time for this monthly budget. Well, each time a quarter rolls around, I don't want to have to recreate this. I want to be able to create a template, something that I can reuse, okay, that already has base structure built into it. Like this. If I were to turn this into a template, I'd first wipe out the data here. This is the specific data for January, February, and March. Just hit my delete key. And now I've got the beginnings of a template. It's already got the main headers, the main bills. It's already got the calculations. It's already formatted. It's already got a chart down below. It's empty right now because I don't have any data, but it's already there. It's just waiting for me to plug in the appropriate data. Okay. So that's the idea of a template. We're going to take a look at some Excel templates that come with Excel, and we're going to turn this right here into a template. Let me undo. I'm going to Control Z. That's our undo. Get that data back. So let's take a look at first taking advantage of some existing templates within Excel.